What up guys, this is Jarrell. In this video I'll be showing you exactly how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams. Now first things first, all you have to do is you have to go to the team meeting that you would like to share your screen and look for this icon which is on this part of the screen here. And I want you to click on that, share, then share your screen here. And after clicking that, you have to choose which screen we would like to share. For instance, in this video, I would like to share my entire screen. Now just click on entire screen and click on OK or this blue button in here. Okay, now as soon as you see the white box underneath or on the bottom part of your page, that means you're already sharing your screen. Now, if you want to stop sharing, just click on this blue button here that says stop sharing. And that is, guys, how you would like to share your screens, your audiences in Microsoft Teams. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.